Hello guys, this is Dio. So after picking the Medeco Original and Medeco M3, I'm taking on the Medeco Biaxial. So this is a key, 6 pins, interesting bitting. First let's reset the pins combination. Alright, camera here is better. So I just want, yeah, alright, let's go clockwise. Okay. Come on. Just gonna drop a pin. All right. My roommates are having a conversation behind the door. All right. Pin 6. I think we are done setting the pins above shear line. All right. So let's try to rotate them. So pin 1 is good. Pin 2 is not. And I don't like pin 2 because it needs to be rotated all the way. And there is a false gate just before the true gate, and it's guaranteed you fall in the false gate. So good luck to get out of the false gate and get to the true gate. Okay. I'm not sure here, but pin 2 is alright now. Oof. Oh, okay. I think a pin dropped, so let's go back, rotating the pins. Pin 6 is good. Pin 5 is not good. So pin 1 is good. Pin 2 is good, I think. Right. So I think just pin 5 needs to be rotated. And there we go. Oh, that was pin 5. So Medeco Biaxial picked open. Happy to get that one on video because I was successful doing it not on video, but I stopped counting the number of times I've tried to get it on camera. Yeah, some locks are camera shy, it seems. Alright, so focus. There we go. I'm very happy to pick that one in such a short amount of time, under 5 minutes. That's pretty good. Usually it takes me 15 minutes. Alright, so there we go. Sidebar. Oops. With the small springs. Careful not to lose them. Now the key pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 driver pins, standard, mushroom, mushroom again. Those are the new style mushroom. Oops. Standard. All the rest is standard. There we go. And I don't know why, oops, but the two last driver pins are made out of steel instead of brass. No idea why. So now the spring. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Come on, little guy. There we go. So this is it. Medeco Biaxial picked and gutted. Oops. Alright, see you next time with the Medeco Duracam. Bye bye.